Hey guys, Chi.chi here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about a brand that I don't think a lot of people actually know about, but I've been eyeing them for quite some time, and that is Vavvoune. Vavvoune is a black woman-owned business based out of Brooklyn, New York. Her name is Valerie, and she's something because she is actually a self-taught designer. She actually makes her products. I don't know if she makes all of them or she knows how to make the bag and then just put it in production. So I don't know the extent of how much she does, but she had me sold when she said that she makes her own bags. So I was just like, okay, cool. Tell me more. And then when you go to her site, it's funky bags, but in the best possible way. Like, you're not gonna see her bags like from Louis Vuitton or Chanel or anything like that. Her bags are very unique, and we love that over here. So I wanted to see how her bags are, and I did find it. Now, the great thing about her is that she actually is sold in Nordstrom as well as her own website. And Nordstrom ended up having it on the discount. So I was like, yeah, let me pick that up. So if you order from Nordstrom, you do get the brand's dust bag. However, I believe if you order from the brand's website, you will get, the gift box and the dust bag and all those cute things that we love. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the website versus Nordstrom. But I did order this from Nordstrom, and I ended up with this gorgeous, gorgeous bag. This is the Riya Bag in the color pear, and it's this glorious green color. Y'all know I've been loving green for the longest. It's creeping up and almost pushing blue out of the top spot, but oh my gosh, this is just such an interesting bag. It is a shoulder bag, but wow, like this is just something that you're not going to see every day, and it's just really cool. It is a shoulder bag. There's nothing on the back of the bag, but we have to get into the details because the details is what really just sold me. This is a shoulder bag, but the great thing about it is that you do have some adjustments here on the belt. I believe there is 4 adjustments, and it's one of the push hole type of adjustments, the same one that you see in the Essential V bracelet from Louis Vuitton. It's that same sort of adjustment setting. Now, I think this is the longest setting, so when you adjust it, you can make it a little bit shorter, but this is the longest setting for this particular bag, and the adjustments are only on one side of the bag. However, if you did want to make this crossbody, you have, bam, a removable strap. So I love the option. We all love options. So I think this would look fantastic crossbody, but I just have to figure out, a strap situation. Now, it does have D-rings on the side, but this one side has this beautiful hardware. And let me tell y'all, because I haven't heard something like this in a long time. This is brass that is gold-plated hardware. When was the last time you heard that? I know, a long ass time. So this is gold-plated hardware, which is fabulous. She's got a little weight to it. You can tell there's money that was spent with this. On the flap of the bag, there is Vavvoune stamped in gold, and you have this great little pull tab, which is magnetic. It's very easy to open, but you also have a magnetic button right there. And then inside, you have a slip pocket right here. And then inside is lined with cotton material. And yeah, that is the whole bag. I think this bag is just so interesting to look at. It's so good. It does not have feet, but the sides kind of come down a little bit further, kind of like my Anima Iris bag where it'll sit on, you know, the edges. But this is really, really, really beautiful. The stitching on here is fantastic. I really, really love the look of this bag. Now, let's get into the Nordstrom thing. So I've been wanting this bag for the longest. It does come in a few colors, but when I saw this green, I was like, ooh, gotta have that one. I saw that this was on the website for Nordstrom, and I was like, oh, hold on now. And I pulled the trigger there because it was 30 or 40% off. And I was like, your girl loves savings on savings. So this actually retails on her site for $490, and I was able to get, I think, 40% off. Y'all can do the math, and I'm not pulling up my receipt. However, as much as your girl loves a discount, I will be returning this to Nordstrom and buying directly from Vavvoune. And here's why. Number one, I didn't get the whole full presentation. I want the box. I want the dust bag. I want to have all of the feels. And I feel like, oh, damn, like I'm doing this series and I didn't order directly from it. But it's okay. It's okay. But the main reason why I want to order directly from the Vavvoune site is because I don't feel like Nordstrom took care of my girl's bag, okay? Because as you can see, if we get all up in it, there is some leather wrinkling here, and on the sides, there is like it's dented in on the side versus this side. But the number one thing is on the back. Disaster struck my bag, guys. I went to go pull out the bag, right? And I'm guessing that the strap was kind of stuck to the back of the bag. So when I went, I heard, and I was like, what was that? And I turned it around, and sure enough, some of the glazing, I guess, got stuck on the bag. So now I have a mark right here. It's shaped like a C, so technically I should use it because, you know, it's chi-chi, see? We're good. But I just didn't want to have a bag that almost feels used, even though I got a discount, you know? So I'm like, you know, I think I'm just gonna go directly to the site and pick this up. It's a Black-owned brand, and this one is way more luxurious than, you know, some of the Telfar bags and things like that. Like, there's quality behind this one. And the fact that she actually knows how to sew and make the bag, I'm just like, yeah, this is craftsmanship. This is actual craftsmanship. So I was like, you know what? As much as I love a deal, I think I'm going to return it and just buy directly from the site. And like, I'm just like, I'm still okay with that. I have no problem parting ways with my $490 because it, like, when am I going to have gold-plated hardware on a bag? You tell me when. What's great about Valerie is that she actually had a collection with Christian Siriano. So if you don't know who he is Project Runway royalty. There is another bag that I do want, and now I'm like, like, oh my gosh, I love getting a deal. That's the thing. The saver in me wants to just buy from Nordstrom, but I was like, no, I can't do that. I can't do sis like that. So sadly, this will be going back to Nordstrom. However, I will gladly go to the Vavvoune site and pick this up and have a whole experience because it's worth it. It's so worth it. But in the meantime, check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.